how to enable or disable vibrate for calls on your Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. Here in settings, okay, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, you can tap this. And here in sounds and vibration, okay, scroll down and sounds and vibration section, you can see here the vibrate for calls. Okay, you can tap this and the vibrate for calls is set into never vibrate. So if you want to vibrate or always vibrate, okay, you'll have to do is select the always vibrate here. You can tap this and now the vibrate for calls is set into always vibrate. And that's it. If you want to back to never or turn off the vibration, okay, you'll have to do is tap again and select the never vibrate. But I decide to set and to always vibrate the incoming calls or calls to my Tecno Spark Go 1S mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.